everyone, welcome to Topic of the Day. In this edition, we shall be discussing about India and the Gulf region. Now, recently, India's Vice President visited Qatar, that is one of the countries of the Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC. In addition, as we have seen in the news lately, India faces a diplomatic backlash from the Gulf countries for inappropriate remarks made against Islam and Prophet by the two spokespersons of the ruling party. Now, if we talk about the key highlights of the Vice President's visit to Qatar, firstly, he launched the India-Qatar Startup Bridge that aims to link the startup ecosystem of the two countries. Secondly, he reiterated the importance of close and friendly relations with Qatar. Also, the commitment to deepen multifaceted bilateral cooperation in trade, investment, energy, food security, defense, technology, culture, education, health, etc. Also, he recalled India's leadership in establishing the International Solar Alliance. Now, why is the Gulf region important for India? First of all, India's relations with the people of Gulf and Arabian Peninsula go back to the Harappan civilization, where they shared ethos and spirituality. If we talk about trade, in 2021-22, India's bilateral trade nearly $154 billion. Also, UAE is the second largest export destination of India. India recently signed CEPA, that is Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement with the United Arab Emirates. If we talk about remittances, India is the second largest recipient with $83.15 billion in remittances. Now, strategically, Gulf region is one of the three pillars of India's West Asia policy. Both of us share political and security concerns. For example, UAE's diplomatic support was crucial after India conducted a surgical strike across the LOC, grey-listing Pakistan at FATF, across the line of control, grey-listing Pakistan at FATF, etc. Now, in the terms of energy security, India imports 80% of its crude oil, of which the majority comes from the Gulf region countries. Also, India and Oman signed a program of cooperation in the field of science. Let us now talk about the defense relations. There are military exercises like 𝐈𝐦𝐻𝐸 exercise with Saudi Arabia. Also, the Indian Air Force took part in the Desert Flag 6th. Now, let us talk about importance of India to the Gulf region. First of all, it is the market for investment and trade. Secondly, there is a cultural aspect as Mecca is situated in Saudi Arabia. Also, there is rise of food prices after India's wheat ban. So, the issue of food security has to be considered by the Gulf region when it comes to India. India has also provided huge medical support during the COVID-19. Now, if we talk about certain challenges, first of all, the critical statements of the Organization of Islamic Countries in the internal matters of India and also the Pakistan's dominance at OIC is of major concern. Secondly, the declining USA's commitment to sub-regional security has raised more issues among the members of Gulf Cooperation Council. If we talk about a positive way ahead, firstly, India needs to pool in the efforts for peace and stability in the Gulf and also put more focus on the eco-cooperation. Secondly, India should take a stern view of the hate speech targeting religious beliefs. We are talking about the recent speech controversy by the BJP spokespersons. Now, let us take up a practice question on this topic. Which of the following is not a member of the Gulf Cooperation Council? A. Oman, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Kuwait. So the correct answer is B, that is Iraq is not a member of the Gulf Cooperation Council. Well, with this, we call it a wrap of today's edition of Topic of the Day. For regular updates, you can follow us on our social media handles. And for more such videos, do stay tuned to the next IAS YouTube channel.